स्वामी समर्थ. तर आजच्या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत की इन ॲलिफॅटिक कंपाऊंड त्याच्यामध्ये जर मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप असतील तर हाऊ टू राईट द आयुपॅक नेम. ओके, सो इकडे आपण काही मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुपचे प्रेफिक्स आणि सफिक्स लिहिलेले आहेत. तर फर्स्ट आहे कार्बोक्सिलिक ॲसिड. जर त्याचं प्रेफिक्स असेल तर कार्बोक्सिल लिहायचं आणि सफिक्स असेल तर ओइक ॲसिड. ओके, ॲज पर दॅट प्रायोरिटी इट इज गिवन हिअर. ओके, so we are writing the IUPAC level of all these compound. Here I will give the some example. Okay, so in exam preparation at the last point, if you don't remember any IUPAC name, only you have to do this functional group table. Okay, on basis of this you have to solve it. So first example is given here. So you see here is the main functional group is the NH2, that is the amine. Okay, so in amine prefix we are use the amino and suffix we are use the amine. So this is the main functional group, so suffix we are using the amine. So first rule of IUPAC is first label the longest chain of the carbon. So here we are give to the numbering of carbon 1, 2 and 3. So the name is the propan 2 amine. Okay, NH2 is attached to the second carbon, so here we have to write the 2 amine. Right, the next example is here you have to see here is the OH group, methyl group and this is the ketonic group. So in this table you have to see the ketonic group is the first priority. Okay, so we are selecting the carbon chain on this side because this is the our main functional group. So we have to label the carbon chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right, so first you write OH group and methyl group. Okay, so on this both group the priority is goes to the methyl group. Right, so on the according to the alphabetical order we have to write it. So 4 hydroxy and same 4 carbon कोई methyl group attached है तो we have to write 4 methyl. It is a 5 carbon chain, so pentane 2 1. Okay, so it is a ketonic functional group. So according to we are using the function that is a suffix that is a 1. So it is a 4 hydroxy 4 methyl pentane 2 1. Right, I hope you all understood. The next is the CH3 CH2 C double bond O C double bond OH group. Right, so here you have to see the C double bond OH, that is a hydroxy group, that is a carboxy group. It is a main functional group. Right, and next is the OH, that is a aldehyde. Right, so main priority is we have to given the carboxylic acid. So first we have to label the carbon atom 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so second carbon oxygen group is attached. So for aldehydic we are using the prefix as a oxo. So 2 oxo, it is a 4 carbon, it is a 4 carbon, so butane 1 oic acid. Right, that is the 2 oxo butane 1 oic acid. Next is the here is the halide halogen is attached. Right, that is the iodine. So we have to label on this side 1, 2 and 3. Right, so 1 iodo, 3 means propane. So 1 iodo propane. Understood? This example here is the amide group is the main functional group. So for amide, you have to see here, for amide we are using the prefix amido and suffix as a amide. So this is the main functional group, so that's why we are using the suffix as the amide. So first we have to label the carbon atom, that is the 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So this is the 4 carbon means you know the butane, so it is a butanamide. Okay. Next, here you have to see the OH, NH2COOH, right? But the carboxylic acid as the first priority because it is a main functional group. Then here is the amine functional group, hydroxy and aldehydic also, right? So first we have to label the carbon chain on this direction because the main functional group is here, right? So it is a 1, 2, 3 and it is 4 and 5. Okay, so here you have to see the second carbon, that is the amino group is attached. So according to we are using the alphabetical order, we write the 2 amino, then 3 OH group is in the prefix we are used for the hydroxy. Okay, so for alcoholic group the prefix is used as the hydroxy. So 2 amino, 3 hydroxy and 4, that is the aldehydic functional group, so we are using the oxo. So 4 oxo, that is a pentane, so pentane 1 oic acid. Okay, so its name is the 2 amino, 3 hydroxy, 4 oxo, pentane 1 oic acid. Okay, so now in this compound here the multiple functional group is attached. So घाबरायचं नाही, तर आपण प्रायोरिटी बेसिस वरती फंक्शनल ग्रुप सिलेक्शन करून घेऊया. ओके, कारण की मोठं स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं कधी कधी आपल्याला असं घाबरल्यासारखं होतं, पण डोंट वरी. सो फर्स्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड फंक्शनल ग्रुप इथे दिसतोय, सो बरोबर एक्झॅक्टली फर्स्ट रेंजला आहे, सो याला ऑलवेज वी हॅव टू गिव्ह द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी. ओके, सो आता आपल्याला इथर फंक्शनल ग्रुप पण दिसत आहे, तिथे अमायनो दिसतोय, बट वी हॅव टू सिलेक्ट द कार्बन चेन towards the functional group. but first आपण ज्याला लेबलिंग करतोय तो मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुपच असला पाहिजे. ओके, सो 1, 2 हा कार्बन, 3, 4, 5 इकडे पण एक अटॅच आहे, सो 6, राईट. सो मेन फंक्शनल ग्रुप पासून आपण कार्बनचे चेन लेबल करणार आहोत. सो आता आपण इकडे बघतो की इकडे NH2 आहे, अमायनो ग्रुप आहे, इथे क्लोरीन वाला ग्रुप आहे, इथे इथर वाला ग्रुप आहे. ओके, सो आपण अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर यूज करून आता त्यांना लेबलिंग करूया. सो फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू राईट 5, A stands for amino, so 5 amino. ओके, सो आता 6 ला इथे क्लोरीन ग्रुप अटॅच आहे आणि इथे हा कार्बोनाइल आहे, सो वी हॅव टू राईट इट 6 क्लोरो कार्बोनाइल. आता इथे आपण बघतो की ते C डबल बॉन्ड OCH3, दॅट इज अ इथर ग्रुप. सो याला पण आपण लेबलिंग करूया, हा 3rd नंबरच्या कार्बनला अटॅच आहे, सो वी हॅव टू राईट 3 मिथॉक्सी कार्बोनाइल. ओके, सो 3 मिथॉक्सी carbonyl, and that is a main functional group, that is a carboxylic acid. 6 means hexane, so hexanoic acid, or you have to write hexane 1 oic acid. Okay, so I hope you all understood this tricky compound. The last compound, that is the alkene compound, and it is contain the functional group bromine as well as the methoxy. बरोबर. So first rule you have to always remember the select the longest chain of the carbon. So आता आपण ह्या डायरेक्शननी सिलेक्ट करूया because the alkene group as a first priority. बरोबर. So first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so here is the 5 carbon atom. तर आता बघतोय आपण की अल्किन हा सेकंड कार्बनच्या पुढे डबल बॉन्ड आहे, राईट. सो फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू राईट 3 ब्रोमो. Then other functional group is the methoxy, which is attached to the 4th carbon. So we have to write 4 methoxy. So it is a 5 carbon chain. It is as simple as a pent. Double bond is second bond. Second carbon च्या पुढे double bond आहे. So we have to write pent 2 ene. So alkene. So its name is the 3 bromo 4 methoxy pent 2 ene. Okay. Thank you.